Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to insert your signature inside your Word document in a very simple way. In order to do that, I have created an application to Hollywood Municipality, and I have here made my application, and at the end we have the sincerely, and after sincerely I will put this pre-signed signature which I've signed inside in a paper, in small paper, and I take a picture with my iPhone, and after that I emailed it to my email account, and then I take it to my desktop, and from my desktop computer we're gonna make some changes through MS Paint, and you're gonna see, you're gonna love it. Okay, first of all, let's get down this application, and after that we're opening this signature with MS Paint. I open it with MS Paint, and I'm zoom out a little bit in order to see what we've got here. As you can see, I've taken the picture of this small paper, and I have made it with blue pen. And be careful, because we're gonna a little bit play with the color correcting to be precise, and we're gonna make it in the way that we have to crop it a little bit and make it right. So in order to crop a little bit this image, I'm going to select this crop tool from MS Paint. I'm cropping a little bit. I'm selecting my signature like this. And after that, we are clicking from our keyboard Ctrl and X. We're cutting out. And after that, we are clicking Ctrl and N. We're opening a new MS Paint. And after that, we are clicking Ctrl and V. We are pasting the cropped signature from the paper to a new MS Paint. So I have done that, and we are saving this new image to our desktop. I'm gonna name it signature. I'm gonna make it, let me see, okay, JPEG. I have saved it, closing this. I'm taking my application, I'm getting to the right side of the screen, and now we have the signature on our desktop, as you can see, dragging it inside our application, moving down, and as you can see, we have inserted in order to make it behind this text. We're coming on, we're selecting this image, and you can see a small screen appears to the right of the image. Layout options, we're clicking this, and I'm gonna make it behind text. Okay, we are a little bit dragging down. We're gonna downsize a little bit the signature. Are we done? Not yet. We have to do something more. We're coming to the upper menu. We are selecting picture format, and from here we are selecting corrections and brightness and control. We are coming to the down right section of this menu. As you can see, now we have a better signature like this, but we have a small issue. As you can see, we have a little bit yellowish borders at the bottom left side of the signature. We're selecting once again the signature. We're coming to picture format once again. We're coming to corrections, and as you can see, we have picture corrections options. We're clicking this, and we are downsizing a little bit, or we are increasing the options of brightness. Also, you can play also with a little bit with contrast to do it a little bit dark. The signature, as you can see now, we have a better image here. I'm gonna put it a little bit down. You can drag it wherever we want. As you can see, it's originally our signature. The video was like this. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Thank you for watching me, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.